Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve a very interesting math problem in which we have to find the value of m and n, and we are given two equations. So let's start. We have m cube plus m square times n equals to 25 and n cube plus n square times m equals to 9. So we can take m square common from this. So we get m square times m plus n equals to 25, and similarly from this we can take n square common, so we get n square times m plus n equals to 9. Now name this equation as 1 and name this equation as 2. Divide equation 1 by 2, so we get m square times m plus n equals to 25, n square times m plus n, here 25 divided by 9. So here m plus n to m plus n will cancel out, so we get m square by n square equals to 25 by 9. And also we know from the law of indices that if a square divided by b square, so this can be written as a by b whole square. So our equation will become m by 9 whole square equals to 25 by 9. So this can be written as m by n equals to plus minus under root 25 by 9, which is on solving we get plus minus 5 by 3. So here we have two values of m by n. So m by n we have two values, 5 by 3 and minus 5 by 3. Now consider case 1 where m by n equals to 5 by 3. So from here we get m equals to 5 by 3 times n. Name this equation 3. Put the value of m, that is equation 3, in equation 1. So we get 5 by 3 times n whole square bracket 5 by 3 times n plus n bracket close equals to 25. So on solving this we get 25 over 9 n square bracket. Here we have to take LCM, so 3 5n plus 3n equals to 25. On solving this we get 25 by 9 n square 8 by 3 equals to 25. 25 to 25 will cancel out, so we get 8n cube over 27 equals to 1. By cross multiplication we get n cube equals to 27 by 8. Taking cube on both sides we get n equals to 3 by 2. Now put this value n equals to 3 by 2 in equation 3. So we get the value of m. So we have m equals to 5 by 3 times n, and we have find the value of n equals to 3 by 2. So on substituting the value of n, m equals to 5 by 3 times 3 by 2. 3 to 3 cancel out and we get m equals to 5 by 2. Now case second, when m by n equals to minus 5 by 3. So from here we get m equals to minus 5 by 3 times n. Name this equation 4. Put equation 4 in equation 1. We get minus 5 by 3 times m whole square bracket minus 5 by 3 times n plus n bracket close equals to 25. So on solving this we get 25 by 9 n square. Here we have to take LCM, so 5n plus 3n divided by 3 equals to 25. On solving this we get 25 by 9 times n square minus 5n plus 3n equals to minus 2n divided by 3 equals to 25. 25 to 25 will cancel out, so we get minus n cube times 2 divided by 27 equals to 1. On cross multiplication we get n cube equals to minus 27 by 2, taking cube root on both sides. We get n equals to minus 3 by cube root 2. So now substitute the value of n, that is minus 3 by cube root 2, in equation 4. So we get m equals to minus 5 by 3 times minus 3 by cube root 2. On solving this we get 3 to 3 cancel out, so minus times minus, that is plus, so 5 by cube root 2, that is the value of m. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.